Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about feelings. Feelings are what we feel inside. We all have feelings every day. Feelings are a part of life. You have feelings and I have feelings. It's normal to feel different things. Sometimes we feel good and sometimes we feel not so good. One happy feeling is joy. When you are happy, you smile, laugh, and feel light inside. Maybe you feel happy when you play with friends, see your family, or do something you like. Happiness is a wonderful feeling. Another feeling is sadness. When you are sad, you may feel like crying or being quiet. You might feel sad if you lose something or miss a friend. It's okay to feel sad sometimes. Sadness is also a part of life. Remember, everyone feels sad now and then. Sometimes you might feel angry. Anger is when you feel upset or mad. You might feel angry when something is not fair or when someone is unkind. When you are angry, it's important to take a deep breath and stay calm. It's okay to be angry, but remember to think before you act.